Hey guys, so in this video we're going to show you how to finish off and package some Air Jordan shoes. So for this pair, we use the highest quality Aj1 high gloss finisher, making sure to paint all the painted sections. It's a really satisfying process when sped up. These shoes were a birthday present, so we decided to personalize the package by making a card. The customer wanted a shoe tree, so we decided to add that in. Here we are, packaging the shoes. Now this is what unboxing our package would look like. These small accessories really tie the whole shoe together. Overall, thank you for watching.